In this video I will try to restore it. A leaking car radiator using the American High Care additive. This additive is very effective. It's a bit pricey though. It costs 125 hryvnias. It's designed for 17 liters of coolant. Let's get started using it. My car's radiator has been leaking for a while. The leak was small, but after flushing the system with citric acid, it got worse. It needs to be fixed. You can see the leaking coolant. It's green, bright, like a dye, and stands out against the concrete. Under the hood you can see that the leak is right under the cooling radiator. It's noticeable. Of course, you can replace the entire radiator, but you can also try to temporarily fix everything. According to the user manual, you need to wait for the engine to cool down. It's already cooled down, so I can pour it into the system. According to the instructions, you can pour it directly into the radiator if there's a cap, or by removing the hose from the radiator. But I won't do that. I'll pour it in directly. The expansion tank. And this solution will evenly distribute throughout the engine, sealing up all kinds of leaks. The main components of this product are ethylene glycol and silicon dioxide, which will help seal the leaks. Here the can is sealed, which prevents counterfeiting. Let's open the cap of the expansion tank. We shake everything up. We open the can and pour all the contents into the tank. It looks kind of like glue. So, we will pour very carefully. After that, we start the engine and let it run at idle. 5-7 minutes. When diluted with antifreeze, it creates a thick liquid. The car has been running for 10 minutes. All the fluid has already changed, and we can see what we've got there. There are no new leaks for now. We'll see whether it will happen or not. I'll wipe the old puddle off the concrete, and tomorrow I'll check what effect this additive has. It's been a day, and let's check if the cooling system is leaking. I placed a board here for monitoring. You can see what's on her. Just a couple of drops. That's a small amount compared to the quantities that spilled yesterday. So, with the help of regular sealant, you can fix a leak in the car's radiator.